Hello, today we're at the RobotWorld 2019 in South Korea, and we are showing our inverse architecture. So as you see, there are two beacons, one is there, and we have a simultaneous tracking of a badge and a helmet. So basically this configuration, helmet on me and badge. And I will be walking around in inverse architecture in submap of size of 20 meters. So like regular work, like any visitor on the exhibition. Noise, people, obstructions. I will intentionally circle this column just to show the performance of real-time player and how it helps to avoid jumps or omissions in the tracking. So just another walk around the column, and this is their live performance, as you see. So both helmet and badge tracking was perfect.